Hey girl, so check-in number one for you. So I'm just going to run through your check-in form, give you some feedback, and see if there's any changes for next week. So obviously progress pictures, we do them together. Your weight this week was 16.2, so it's higher than when we started, which was 15.3. So given that obviously you've been away and stuff, and you've not really been able to hit the programme properly yet, we'll just put it down to that. And obviously we know about the bloating issue and the period issue, so that weight will definitely not be accurate. So I'd expect to see a loss next week, just given the circumstances. So if there isn't a loss, that's when we know to really change up things in the programme. So weight, I'm not too worried about this week, don't worry. But you hit your step target, so that's perfect, great start. You need to be doing that daily, so 10,000 daily, get it on repeat. Make sure it's one of the boxes you're going to be ticking. Sleep, 4 to 6 hours, so not great, and 5 out of 10 for the energy. That's probably due to the lack of sleep, so try and get at least 6 minimum, ideally 7, and then 8 is like golden. So really try and get better night's sleep quality. I know you go to bed at crazy hours, so try and go a little bit earlier and get a good quality night's sleep. So that'll help with energy as well. Obviously energy's been low, I think, due to being run down from the bloat and starting a period as well. So yeah, for those ones, stay on track. Biggest achievement is getting to the gym, which is always good. So keep that consistency going. So 8 out of 10 for training. I'm happy with that. I'll take 8 out of 10. And you're not getting bored, so that's good. Don't need to do any swaps yet. DOMs are all good, just slightly sore, but nothing too bad. No to all of the gym sessions. That's because you were home, obviously, and you still managed to get the home workout in, so that's perfect. So this week, just try and make sure you make up for that and get in as many times as you can to set you up nicely, day on day, week on week. Hence goals. But you're happy when you're training, so that's all good. I'm just doing a check-in. So this week you've enjoyed nutrition 5 out of 10, and that's because I think you were at home, so obviously you've not been able to stick to meal plan, which is what we need for your calorie deficit, and it's probably 5 out of 10 due to the digestive problem. So you got the bloat, so hopefully you'll be all clear by next week, because if it's been 2 weeks and nothing's happened down there, then I'll be concerned. So hopefully that the 5 out of 10 will improve this week, so let me know. Are you happy with the foods you're eating? Some of them, so let me know which ones you're not, because I want you to be able to actually stick to the plan. So if there is an issue with the types of food you've got, then let me know, but if not, just crack on and try and stick to the plan. Obviously you've been away, so you've not been able to, so we're really trying to hammer it this week. But you're happy with the progress, that's good, and there's nothing else for me to know. So targets this week, smash meal plan, so stick to that, really try and stick to that as best as you can. Calories are going to be key. Get all your gym sessions in, daily targets of steps, that's going to be key, and sort your sleep out. So sort your sleep out is key, it's going to give you energy. Get your steps in, it's going to create a bigger energy deficit for you to lose your weight. 3, meal plan, stick to it every day if you can. If not, track and let me know what you're eating, but it needs to be under the calories that I've given you. And 4, get all the gym sessions in, smash weights and then smash cardio as well. Consistency is key. Keep it going. Have a good weekend. Enjoy the lakes, stay warm, and I will see you next week. Hit those targets, girl.